Alright, so this is a view from the front yard compared to the backyard. This is the possibly dying tree. Also, my bald cypress, also known as the possibly dying tree, is blowing like crazy. Those two Bradford pears are going insane right now. My oak tree is going absolutely rampage right now. All the trees are going rampage. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Look. Guys, look. Guys. Guys, look at my oak tree. It's going so insane right now. Look at my oak tree. Hold on. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow, guys. That was so crazy. Look at my possibly dying tree. It's going so insane right now. Oh my gosh, guys, that was insane. Listen to the swooshing sounds on the trees. Oh my gosh. Let's go look at my urban holly. Look at my urban holly. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear it swooshing. You can hear my urban holly swooshing. My possibly dying tree's going crazy. Guys, my possibly dying tree is making a lot of swooshing noises in the wind. Oh my gosh. Listen to that. Guys, that is loud. Alright guys, I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.